there's another one. Got him. Ha ha! Look at that. Right here at the bridge too. What's up everybody? Todd Welch from the Backcountry Trail here, and today I'm out doing a little trout fishing, and we are gonna do the Berkley Trout Nuggets Challenge. Now these are original scent trout nuggets. I'm gonna throw some in the Buffalo River here behind me near Strum, Wisconsin, and see if we can catch some trout. So stay tuned, let's see what happens with the Berkley Trout Nuggets. Today I'll be fishing with my High Altitude Brands 5' 6" telescopic fishing rod. First time I'm going to be using this size, so let's see how she handles. Get up on this bend here and let it float down in the deep pool where trout like to hang out in these deep edges, especially on a day like today. It's 80 degrees out, top water's warming up, the sun's out. Get up here and see what we get. Throw it up above here and let it float in. This new spider wire line I bought is not being very cooperative. It keeps jamming at the reel coming off the spool. It's really stiff. It's supposed to be monofilament, but not working so well. So I've had to cut off about more than half the line that I had on here to get it to stop unspooling. Not a thing. I'm trying to just let this float down as much as possible. I'm just trying to bounce my sinker off the bottom so that the trout nugget kind of rolls down the stream so that it looks as natural as possible. And as natural as a red trout nugget can be, I guess, in a stream that they do not exist. But natural presentation of food. Trout are always looking upstream to see their food coming down to them. Well, the good thing so far is this trout nugget has stayed on. I haven't had to put a new one on, even though I've been whipping it around. Well, that lost the power bait there. Check this out here. Bunch of deer prints all over here, white-tailed deer here in Wisconsin. Walking along the bank here. Probably earlier today or last night, come down to get a drink of water. Pretty cool. See if I can get it back in there a little bit farther without snagging. Shoot. And I did get snagged. And I'm gonna have to go in there and ruin this area because I can't afford to lose any more line where I won't be throwing my bait. And there goes my trout nugget. Right after I said I hadn't lost any out of this 2 in a row. Alright, let's go up a little bit where I didn't scare the trout. This all looks real nice through here. It's got dark areas along that bank there, which means it's deeper. Trout love that. Well, I know there's trout in here. Some nice trout, because I've caught them with spinners. But not happening with the trout bait. Alright, well, time to switch to a spinner. Okay, so switch to this Castaway spoon or spinner, whatever you want to call it. Silver with a gold snap swivel. 2 of the colors that trout seem to like the most, gold and silver. So let's see if it was the bait or the trout. Oh, are you kidding me? Well, a fish hit that immediately and broke off the line. I am really not liking this line. I've got another one here. It's a little bigger. But I'm out of snap swivels. Oh, it's a northern. Wow. That looked like a northern that just struck my line there. And he definitely got a taste of the hook, unfortunately. That would probably explain why my line broke so easily. That was a northern up in here. There was another northern. Came after it, but it didn't hit it. Let's see if I can flip that in there again. Come on. Oh, he keeps missing it. There we go. There he is. Get him on shore here. Woo! Yeah! All right. Look at that boy there. Woo! Calm down, calm down. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Woo! Look at that. That is a nice northern, especially in a creek like this, Buffalo River. We're not far up from a dam, so I guess they're coming up here. The water is warm enough. So that explains why there are no trout. We got these guys in here, and they're not going to eat no trout nugget. That is for sure. What a beauty. All right. Let's get that out of him and get him back in the water here. Hey, calm down, buddy. I'm trying to get you out of there. He came around and hit it 3 times. He wanted that bait for sure, and he is hooked very good. He was not coming off. There we go. All right, there he is. Beautiful. Let's get him back in the water here. he goes. Back over to his hole. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Was not expecting northern up in here in a trout stream, but I guess we're close enough to the dam that they are coming up in here and this water is warm enough for them. Awesome. Well, let's see if we can't get one or two more of those on the way back, huh? And you got to be careful. If those teeth hit that line at all, I'm done. That first northern that took my lure, he hit that sucker as soon as it hit the water. And that guy came after it 3 times. So these guys are hungry and aggressive. So let's see what we can do. Get a couple more, huh? Well, it's a little different tactic now. Northerns are going to love sitting up by the weeds, even in the shallow water, where trout prefer a little deeper water. These northerns could be sitting anywhere up along the shore. There's another one. Got him. Ha ha! Look at that. Right here at the bridge too. Oh, I got no place I can get him on the bank here. Oh. Don't break the line, don't break the line. Come here, buddy. Oh. Boom! Got another one. And he swallowed that sucker. He was hungry. Beautiful fish. There he goes. He's still hooked though. Let's get him on the bank over here. There we go. Come on. Calm down, bud. Alright. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Okay. Here we go. Look at that guy. Beautiful fish. Let's see if we can get that out of him without hurting him here. Because that looks like it's down in there. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. I know, I know. Oh yeah, it's down in there. I'm sorry, bud. Let's see. Oh, you're bleeding. Shit. Calm down. If you just relax. Got it. Okay. There we go. Sorry, bud. That's gotta hurt. Never like to hurt a fish. Let's get you back in the water here. Oh. Get you going. Come on, buddy. You can go. Let's go. Come on. Go ahead. Get some oxygen back in you here. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come here. I don't know if he's gonna make it. Not getting any movement out of him. There he goes. There he goes. He tried to run there a little bit. Come on, buddy. You can go. You can go. Go ahead. Go. He's getting his strength back. Come on, buddy. There he goes. There he goes. There we go. He's going to be all right. Yep, he's swimming against the current. He's going to make it. All right. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And we are back at the bridge where we started. All right, so there we go. No trout on the trout nuggets, but we found out why. There's northern up in here, and that's going to chase some trout out and eat some trout, and they're not going to eat no trout nuggets. So once we switched over to the castaway spoon here, bam, they just started nailing it. So that was awesome. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button down below to get more awesome videos just like this. And make sure you check out the other videos here and here as well for more awesome fishing videos and hiking videos just like this one. Until next time, this is Todd Welch with the Backcountry Trail signing off. Tight lines, everybody.